Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your shade and doing a 48-hour patch test. This prevents reactions. Once done, set up your station with gloves, towel, comb, clips, and the bottle developer. Make sure your timer is ready. You apply to dry, unwashed hair because natural oils protect the scalp and help the demi-permanent color adhere evenly. Begin at the roots if you have regrowth and spread outward. This gives control and consistent coverage from the first application. You section hair into 1-inch parts and apply the Creme gloss with steady pressure, starting at roots and moving to ends to avoid overprocessing lighter ends. This method balances pigment deposition. Once applied, set a timer for 20 to 28 minutes based on desired intensity and the shade selected. Darker shades often need the full time. Make sure to comb through once midway to remove pockets of product. This ensures uniform saturation and a more natural, even result across. You stop timing, then rinse with lukewarm water until it runs clear. This prevents leftover dye from staining skin or clothes. Once rinsed, apply the included conditioner for 2 to 3 minutes to seal cuticles and boost shine. Rinse and towel dry gently. Make sure not to shampoo for 24 to 48 hours so the color settles. If you notice patchiness, reapply a small amount to those dry spots for 5 to 10 minutes. This corrects uneven uptake without overprocessing the rest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.